Every year, thousands of people search for the perfect way to make money online, but most of them are looking for the wrong thing. The people who succeed don't chase opportunities, they build valuable skills. Here are 5 online income skills worth learning in 2026, and why each one could completely change your financial future. The first skill worth learning is YouTube automation. Despite the name, there is very little that is actually automatic about it. A successful YouTube channel is built by combining multiple high-value digital skills into one business. It starts with finding topics that people are already searching for. Then comes writing scripts that keep viewers watching, designing thumbnails that earn clicks, editing videos that hold attention, optimizing titles and descriptions, and learning how the YouTube algorithm recommends content. Today, AI can make many of these steps faster. It can help you brainstorm ideas, organize research, improve scripts, generate voiceovers, and even speed up editing. But AI is only a tool. The strategy, creativity, and decision-making still come from you. What makes this skill so valuable is that you're not relying on a single source of income. As you improve, you can build your own channels, freelance for other creators, start a content agency, or use the same knowledge to grow a business or personal brand. And even if your first channel never gets monetized, the experience isn't wasted. Every video teaches you something about storytelling, marketing, audience psychology, and content creation. You're not simply learning how to upload videos. You're learning how to capture attention, create value, and build digital assets that can continue working long after you've published them. The second skill worth learning is artificial intelligence. Not because AI will replace everyone, but because people who know how to use AI effectively will outperform those who don't. Learning AI isn't just about asking ChatGPT random questions. It's about learning how to communicate with these tools in a way that produces useful, accurate, and valuable results. A well-written prompt can save hours of work. A poorly written one can waste just as much time. Today's AI tools like ChatGPT and Claude can help you write, research, brainstorm ideas, analyze data, generate code, create marketing content, and solve complex problems in minutes instead of hours. But the biggest advantage isn't speed. It's knowing how to ask the right questions, combine different AI tools, and turn their answers into real-world solutions. Companies are already looking for people who can use AI to improve productivity, automate repetitive tasks, and make better decisions. The sooner you learn how to work with AI instead of competing against it, the more valuable you'll become in almost any industry. The third skill worth learning is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a business model where you earn a commission by promoting products or services created by other companies. When someone purchases through your unique affiliate link, the company pays you a percentage of the sale, while the customer pays the same price as they normally would. What makes affiliate marketing so powerful is that you don't need to create your own product, manage inventory, or provide customer support. Your job is to connect people with products that genuinely solve their problems. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to sell before they've built trust. Successful affiliate marketers don't spam links across the internet. They create valuable content that educates, entertains, or helps people make better decisions. As trust grows, so do the chances that people will buy through their recommendations. Affiliate marketing also works perfectly with many other online skills. Whether you run a YouTube channel, write a blog, build a website, or grow a social media audience, you can naturally recommend products that are relevant to your content. It usually takes time before you earn your first commission, but once you've built an audience that trusts you, affiliate marketing can become a scalable source of income without ever creating your own product. You're not getting paid just for sharing a link. You're getting paid because you've helped someone make a better decision. The fourth skill worth learning is programming. Programming is the ability to solve real-world problems by giving instructions to a computer. Every website you visit, every mobile app you use, and many of the AI tools people rely on today are built with code. Learning to program doesn't just teach you a language, it teaches you how to think logically, break complex problems into smaller steps, and build solutions that can save time or automate repetitive work. Among all programming languages, Python has become one of the most popular and beginner-friendly choices in the world. Its simple syntax makes it easier to learn than many other languages, while its versatility makes it useful in almost every area of technology. With Python, you can build websites, automate repetitive tasks, analyze data, create desktop applications, develop AI and machine learning projects, work with cybersecurity tools, connect APIs, and even build trading bots or financial applications. That's one of the biggest reasons why Python is so widely used by startups, large technology companies, data scientists, and AI developers around the world. Learning Python won't make you an expert overnight, but it gives you a foundation that can open the door to countless career opportunities and digital businesses for years to come. You're not just learning a programming language, you're learning how to build solutions in a world that is becoming more digital every day. The fifth skill worth learning is copywriting. Copywriting is the art of using words to capture attention, communicate ideas, and persuade people to take action. Whether it's clicking a button, subscribing to a newsletter, or buying a product, every successful business relies on effective copy. Almost everything you see online has been written by someone. Advertisements, emails, websites, product descriptions, landing pages, YouTube scripts, and even social media posts all depend on strong copywriting. The reason this skill is so valuable is simple. No matter how good a product or service is, people need to understand why it matters before they decide to buy it. Copywriting also complements every other skill on this list. It helps you write better YouTube scripts, create more engaging affiliate content, communicate more effectively with AI tools, and even explain technical ideas when you're building software. Like any valuable skill, it takes practice. The more you write, study human psychology, and understand what motivates people, the more effective your writing becomes. You're not simply learning how to write, you're learning how to communicate ideas that influence decisions, build trust, and create value. The truth is, you don't need to master all 5 of these skills. You only need to choose one, commit to it, and keep improving over time. Every expert was once a beginner, and every successful online business started with someone willing to learn. The digital economy continues to grow every year, creating new opportunities for those who are prepared. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today.